Hey guys, it's Wade with the Streaming Center. Listen, right now, I want you guys those who are broadcasting, I want you guys to understand the power you guys have in your possession right now. You guys have the ability to persuade people and influence the masses on a huge scale right now. I want you to understand that what you guys have in your possession right now, it's very important that we utilize these platforms we have to help people, to help our community, help our demographic, right? So what I want you guys to do right now, for those who have radio stations or have TV stations, I want you to use it to help people. I want you to contact your local government agencies, contact your local, whatever resource you have in your community, contact them. And I want you to find out what information can you relay through your platform to your people to help them. Let's use our platforms to really bring our information down to a micro level to help influence our people, influence the people that are connected to our stations, people that are watching our television stations. If you have a TV station or even a radio station, you're in a great position right now to help your community. There are local churches and different, religious, groups that are in your area that may need your help. They may need to know, they may not have the ability right now to reach their audience because they can't meet within the building. This is a great opportunity for you to connect with them, reach out to them, say, hey, listen, I have a platform that can reach people. You guys have an opportunity to be a really solid solution right now, a really solid solution, because a lot of people don't know how to do this. But you guys already have it. You guys already have the platform. You already have the equipment. All you need to do is let people know in your community, listen, I am here to help. How can I help? How can I help you? How can I help you, religious organization? How can I help you, local government agency? How can I help you and help be a part of the change or the help of the, be a part of the voice in this community? This is an excellent opportunity for you to establish yourself as a leader in your community. So don't take it lightly. Don't take it lightly. You are in a position right now to help your people, help your demographic. So don't ever think that you just, don't sit back and say, I'm just going to keep playing. No. Connect with the people, connect with your government, and be, if nothing else, be a bridge. Let your broadcast, your online station, whether it be TV or radio, be a bridge of connecting people in this moment where information is crucial. Getting information to people is crucial right now. So I want you guys to do that. I want you to really think about how can you make an impact, because this is your moment. This is your moment that there's certain times in life where things happen and there's a window. And in that window, it's very important that we maximize the opportunity and you maximize the exposure and maximize your impact. So for all you guys right now who have had stations, who have had television stations, even those who may have not signed up, if you guys are watching this right now, you haven't done it yet. This is not too late to help, to join and get your station going, get your television station going, and be a part of this movement, because people like you are needed right now. Because think about this, in the world, there's billions of people, and they're relying on only a handful of news agencies to get their information. That information that may not be directed to what's happening in their neighborhood. So now it's something that may be happening across the world. It's being spoken of, but not what's happening in a neighborhood. They think that what is happening across the world is happening in a neighborhood. That may be true, it may not be true. It could be better or worse. So we need to, right now as broadcasters, to understand the power of what we have and really start getting this information to the people. All right, guys, I am Wade with the Streaming Center. We are here to help you. We are here to help. If you have a television station or radio station, you don't know how to utilize it. If you don't understand, I have the station, I have the platform, but I don't know how to utilize it. What are you talking about? There's a website that we've put up just for people that need help when they have their online broadcast and they don't know how to, put those pieces together to do it. If you go to the website right now, you can actually schedule a appointment, schedule a phone consultation with myself, with our marketing team, and we'll help you. We'll help you for free to figure this thing out. Because this is how important it is to us. Because we understand we've been here doing this for over a decade, and we understand the power of online media and online broadcast. So we can help you. So just go to that website, set up an appointment. And myself or our marketing team, if you need help with marketing, understand how to, market and get the exposure, we'll help you. And we'll tell you exactly what steps you got to take to make the impact. All right. We're committed to this. We have been in this over a decade and we're not going anywhere. All right. I'm Wade with the Streaming Center, guys. If you have any questions, like I said, visit the website, get your consultations booked, and we will help you get the message out there and show you how to format it, how to contact, and all that good stuff. All right, guys. Again, I'm Wade with the Streaming Center, guys. Thanks for watching. You have a good day.